Hello students, now we will discuss how if federalism practice. The real success of federalism in India can be attributed to the nature of democratic practice in our country. Democratic practice in our country. The spirit of federalism, respect for diversity, and desire for living together became a shared ideal in our country. The spirit of federalism, respect for diversity, and desire for living together, became a shared ideal in our country. First of all, we discuss linguistic states. What does mean by linguistic states? The creation of linguistic states was the first and a major test for democratic politics in our country. In page number 18 and 19 of your NCERT book, you can see the map of 1947 and 2006 respectively, and amazed by seeing changes. Many old states have vanished, many new states have been created, areas, boundaries, and names of the states have been changes. In 1947, boundaries done to ensure that people who spoke the same language, lived in the same states, live in the same state. Some states were created on the basis of language, but to recognize differences based on culture, ethnicity, or geography. Culture, ethnicity, or geography. This includes states like Nagaland, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, etc. It has made administration easier. Now we will discuss language policy. Second test for Indian Federation is the language policy. Constitutions not given the states of national language or the status of national language to any one language. Hindi is the mother tongue of 40% Indian, 40% Indian. Beside Hindi, 21 other languages recognized as scheduled language by the constitution of our country. For the central government job, candidate can choose any one of their language. States to have their own official languages. The use of English for official purpose was to step in 1965. Many non-Hindi speaking states demanded that the use of English continue. In Tamil Nadu, this movement took a violent form. The central government agreeing to continue the use of English along with Hindi for official purposes.